I will share a forex robot with you that is well suited to small account. You will see how it works and you will be able to download it for free to test it yourself. Now let me show you the best expert advisor for a small account. Hi, my name is Petko Alexandrov and I am excited to welcome you to my channel where I share trading strategies and free robots without asking for anything in return. Well, if you could press the like button, that would be great, but that is certainly not a condition or required unless you want to. So this trading robot works really well on Euro-Dollar for the M15 time frame and you can trade it on a small live account too. If you trade with 0.01 lots, you would be losing about $3 whenever the stop loss is hit, and you would be profiting about $6 if the take profit is reached. Which means that you are risking about 3% in a small account of $100. This expert advisor uses ADX with a period of 45 and moving average crossover with fast MA 18 and slow MA 42. Stop loss of 30 pips and take profit of 60 pips, and the balance chart is really stable. The fact that the strategy has opened over 1200 trades over the last 7 years proves that it is very stable. Now let me show it to you on Metatrader, and while I move to my PC, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to make sure to never miss a new video that almost always includes a free robot, just in case you missed it at the beginning of the video when I wasn't asking as well. And in front of me I have the Metatrader platform where I'll be trading with the robot. So once you download it, down below from the description, all you need to do is to copy the expert advisor, go to file, click on open data folder, hit on MQL4 experts and paste the expert advisor, and you will see the code of the expert advisor. So if you are an advanced and experienced MQL developer, you can modify the code. If you are not, I would suggest you touch the code. So you can compile it from that button and you will see the expert advisor on your navigator and it is ready for trading. It trades on the Euro-Dollar for the M15 time frame. So what I will do, I will put it on that chart and I'll just close the rest. And one thing you should do if you open an account with a new broker is to load as maximum bars as possible. So how you do that? First you go to tools and you go to options and then click on charts. And here we have that limitation of 65,000 bars. Make sure to hit 9 and hold it as maximum as possible. Click on OK. Then press the home key on your keyboard and just hold it as long as the chart moves. Once the chart stops moving, it means you loaded all bars available, and now you have the maximum bars that your broker offers. After that, drag and drop the expert advisor over the chart and you will see the expert advisor's inputs. From the entry lot you can modify with how much you want to be trading. We have the stop loss and the take profit, the ADX and the moving averages parameters. I will click on OK and you will see that I have a set face in the top right hand corner because I didn't enable the auto trading, and I did that by purpose to show you that first you need to enable the auto trading, then you need to drag the expert advisor over the chart, hit on OK, and now we have the smiley face. So whenever we have the entry signal, we will see a trade opening automatically. Now let me show you how to backtest the expert advisor on the data that we have at the moment, and then I will show you more detailed statistics with EI Studio. So right click over the chart and I will go to expert advisors. I will hit on strategy tester and you will see that the symbol is selected automatically, Euro-Dollar for the M15 time frame. We will test it with the current spread, but as a model I will switch to open prices only. Then I will hit on start and we will see the backtest right in here. But because this is a brand new account that I have opened with Fxview, I have just a few bars, and if I go to the report, I can see some more of the statistics, and here in results are all trades that open and closed. Overall, the account made above $229 of a profit, but you can see that my profit is somewhere about $60 whenever my take profit was hit, and it is about $30 when the stop loss was hit. All right, so $60.27, $60.56, negative 30.31 when the stop loss was hit. Now, if you are trading on a smaller account, let's say $100 or $200, obviously trading with 0.1 lot would be too much. That is why you need to lower the expert advisor entry amount. So go to properties and you can decrease it to 0.01, and that is the lowest entry lot you can trade with. So now if I change as well the expert properties in the backtest and I go to 0.01 and I perform the backtest, it will be pretty much the same result as a graph, but in report and in results you will see absolutely different thing. The profit whenever the stop loss is hit is about $3, and whenever the take profit is reached, that is about $6. So this trading amount is way more suitable for a small live trading account using the very same strategy at the same expert advisor. And before I show you some more statistics of the expert advisor, like when it opens and closes trades, what are the more detailed statistics and a longer backtest since 2015, let me tell you more about the broker that I'm using for that strategy. Fxview is a leading ECN, forex and CFD broker regulated by the CSEC and FSA in South Africa and registered under over 30 EU authorities. It focuses on delivering customers a transparent and low-cost trading environment by creating lowest spreads and commission levels compared to the rest in the industry. Fxview is very suitable for beginner traders because it offers over 500 instruments for forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, indexes, and the key points are that it offers Metatrader 4, Metatrader 5 and ActTrader. As well, there is negative balance protection and social trading with Zulu Trade. Now, if I show you the website, you will see that the minimum deposit is €200 at a time of recording this video, and you can see what are the quotes and the spreads for the popular assets, the FX, currencies, commodities, indexes, and stocks. If I go to platform and tools and I show you the platform comparison, you will see what is the difference if you're using Metatrader 4 and if you're using Metatrader 5 or ActTrader. For example, you can trade stocks on Metatrader 5, but if you're planning to trade the robot that I'm sharing with you in this video, you can trade as well on Metatrader 4. And if I scroll lower, you will see detailed comparison between the different platforms. And if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see all of the registrations and regulations that the broker offers, which are essentially important when you are trading with real money. And now let me go back to the robot. So as you saw, while I'm doing the backtest, there were not many trades that opened and closed due to the lack of historical data, as this is a brand new account. But if I open the EI Studio with the expert advisor, you will see some more analysis. For example, you can see the balance chart is quite stable through the years. At this backtest start from 2015 up until the moment. Here are all of the parameters. So stop loss of 30 pips, take profit of 60. And one more time, if you're trading a small account of 100 or 200 euro, you should lower the lot size to 0.01. It will remain the very same strategy with the balance chart, just the result will be lower as a value at the end. We have the ADX with period of 45, and we have moving averages, fast one period of 18 and slow one period of 42. 3. We don't have an exit condition, which means that once the trade is open, it will either hit the stop loss or the take profit. And let me show the indicator chart. So I won't be placing the indicators over Metatrader. And by the way, if you're trading with a robot, you don't need to put any of the indicators on the chart. You can leave it as it is. So right in here, we have plenty of trades, and I'll just pick randomly a few examples. So whenever we see green lines right below the chart, it means it was a long trade, and when we have red ones, it means it was a short trade. So right in here, we have that long trade, for example. You can see it opened in here, and then we had a losing short trade. One more time for the long trades, we need to see ADX rises. So if I just zoom it a little bit, you will see that at that moment we had the short trade open because the fast moving average crossed the slow moving average downwards, and at the very same time the ADX is rising. Now keep in mind that if we have a long trade, we need to see ADX rises and fast moving average crosses slow moving average upward. And for the short trade, it will be the opposite for the moving averages, but still we need to see the ADX rises. All right, and let me show you just a few more examples so we will have a clear idea how this strategy works. And here we have an example with a long trade, a fast moving average crossed the slow moving average upward, ADX rises, and we had a long trade that met the take profit. Prior to this trade, we had a short trade that hit the stop loss, the fast moving average crossed the slow moving average downwards, and so on. Plenty of trades. Of course, there will be losing positions. As with every strategy, there will be losing trades, and you have to embrace it. The most important is that at the end of the day, we'll have a profitable strategy over time. And here are some more statistics from the strategy. You can see all of the backtest output on the left side. You can see how the strategy performs during the days of the month and during the days of the week. Here are all profitable and losing months, and overall that is a really stable strategy. But very important once again is with how much you will be trading depending on the account size you select. If you start with a small account of, let's say, €200 or dollars, you should be trading with 0.01 or maximum. I would personally go to 0.02, but don't take that as a piece of financial advice. Just with 0.01 and stop loss of 30 pips, you would be risking about $3 with every trade. So if you're trading in a $200 account, that would be around 1.5%, which is quite a decent risk according to me. So now I will leave this expert advisor trade on a demo account for the moment. I want to test it a little bit on unknown data, and I'm in the process of opening a live account with Fxview, and then I will move the expert advisor to test it on a live account as well. So if you guys want to know how it performs in the live account, just let me know down in the comments. I'll be super happy if you test it yourself and share your feedback with me. As always, I wish you a wonderful day. Don't forget to check out this video where you will learn how to trade gold with expert advisors, and of course you will get one robot for gold as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.